Why are you crying? You never cry. You guys want to go play in the tent? Cameron, is that a good idea?
Easy now.
What's that?
That should have hit herself in the face. I wish you would have got that on
hit
film.
Katie in the face. John, is that your new thing now during the week? You guys want to go play in the tent? I'm in that tent all the time. Oh, I didn't package choice. It's difficult.
Cameron, what do you have?
Hey, look, that little boy just went to see Santa Claus.
Christmas spirit. God, kid.
You want those open?
Come on!
Have Daddy open it.